Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by checking the account you're using and gathering identifying details like full name, old email, or phone number. These make retrieval faster. Open Facebook on desktop for broader tools, or use the mobile app if that's what you have. Once done, go to the search bar and type the person's full name. Make sure you try variations and nicknames. Also check the people filter immediately to narrow results to profiles only, so you don't waste time on pages or groups. Now you dig deeper by checking places Facebook stores links to that person. Search through mutual friends' profiles and their friends lists. Sometimes the deleted friend still appears there. Then open Messenger and scroll conversations or archived threads. Messages persist even if friendship ended. Make sure Contact Sync is enabled on mobile to surface phone-matched profiles. Also review your activity log and friend requests tab for past interactions, and glance at your blocked list in case you accidentally restricted them. To finish, attempt to reconnect by sending a polite message or a friend request if you find the profile. Explain who you are. If Facebook search fails, paste the name or email into Google with site Facebook.com to find cached profiles. Make sure to check whether the account was deactivated or deleted. Deactivated accounts can return within days. Troubleshooting tip. If you still can't find them, wait 24 to 72 hours for indexing, and verify you aren't blocked by trying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.